Got a fish. Got one already. This one is not as big as the others have been. Oh, this is a good fish though. That's a good fish. That is a good fish. There, buddy. Oh, that is a good fish. I gotta see what that one measures, because he might. I think I need over 17 and a quarter to help with the tournament, and I don't know if he's gonna make that. No, he's only 16, but I'm gonna get a picture of him anyway. I'm gonna try to get some pictures of him anyway. Hopefully it's not the first cast so 16 and a quarter on the first cast. Come on. All right, there you go, buddy. Nice fish. All right, go ahead and get out of here. All right, nice fish, first cast. That's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. It's not what I had hooked into yesterday. Yesterday I had a malfunction with my camera, and I was in this same area over here, and I caught something that was massive. It ended up breaking my line. I had a 14-pound fluorocarbon leader tied on, and this thing broke it. I'm just gonna cast around here, see if I get anything decent. It's like the big fish have moved back shallow again, which is good. It's a good sign. And I'm pretty much just throwing a wacky rig around all this fallen down timber here, and that's usually, we have some success here with that. I didn't even feel that fish bite it. He just kind of took off with it. I had to anchor over here because the wind is a little rough. All right, let me reel that in, try another spot here. Yeah, whatever I hooked into yesterday had to be a lot bigger. I'm thinking it was probably a pike, because this lake that I'm on right here does have a good population of real big northern pike, so that is a possibility. So that is a possibility, because it, like I said, it went through 14-pound fluorocarbon, which, you know, unless it was a ginormous bass, which we don't have in New York like that, I would bet it was a pike or something of that nature, because it probably bit through the line. because what I'm using here is I just have an Ugly Stick Elite spinning rod with a just a Shakespeare cheap reel that came with the Ugly Stick, and then also I have 20-pound high-vis braid, just Power Pro braid, and a 14-pound fluorocarbon leader. It's a fish. Got a fish. Little one. Little fishy. Little fishy. Alright, very small fish. But it's a fish. At least I broke the one first cast curse here. Oh, just a little tiny baby bass. Alright, buddy, go back and make babies. No, don't try to get back in my boat. Dropped him in the water and he tried to jump back in the boat. Very small bass. Alright, so the small ones are way up near shore, because that's where I just casted that. It was a little closer to the shore. So maybe I'll try a little bit further out here with the... Come on. Trying to get this hook back through here and it's not cooperating. Might have something swimming with it here. That was weird. Felt like it was moving. Definitely felt like it was moving. So it was just stuck on something. Oh, get that outside. Got a bite. Come on. Not a big one. Not a big one. But it's a fish. Come here, buddy. Yep, little one. So I got 2 dinks and 1 decent fish. Alright, calm down. Let's get a picture of you. Here you go, buddy. Let's see. Well, It's a fish. It's a fish. 12:30. I'm only going to give this about another 15 minutes. The wind's really picking up. I want to get out of here before any storms come, because we're supposed to get thunderstorms this afternoon. I have 3 fish so far. Cool. We're going right over there. Anchor broke loose. I gotta. Come on. Yep. Not staying here for very long. Yep, we gotta get out of here. This wind ain't safe. As much as I would like to stay and catch that fish, we gotta go. Don't catch it there. It's time to go, because that's where it was. Oh, got one. Ah, it's only a little one. It's only a little one. Well, another little fish. It's not what I had in mind. All right, we're gonna do 2 casts with the spinner, and then we're out. getting bad. As much confidence as I have in this kayak, it's not that much that I want to risk this.